Today we're going to learn how do you increase or decrease a font size. To do that, the first thing you need to do is to go to your settings. Next, select Display and Brightness. You would then come to a screen where you can select the text as well as your display size. And you would then be able to see how you can change both your text size as well as your display size. So to adjust your text size, which is also known as the font size, you just need to slide to the left or to the right in order to manipulate the size of the text itself. So as you can see, we have extra large, we have huge, we have normal as well. All of this can be changed to what you would like to see. In order to make things easier to read, we suggest that you can always make it extra large or huge to make it easier for you to read. As for your display size, you can also manipulate it by sliding it to the left or to the right as well. So the difference between the text size and the display size is that the display size will control the size of everything that you see, all the icons and everything like that, whereas your text size only controls the size of your font itself. So now we can go out, and if we go to our main screen, we can see that everything has been refreshed to look bigger than what it was previously. And that is how you change your font size and also your display size.